Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to edit in Pixverse. In order to do so, first off, if you are on the main screen, then you will see a menu similar to this, and what you're looking for is either under Create or Asset. It looks like they basically do the same thing more or less, but although the Create is specifically for creating stuff, it will take you to a similar screen. Here with your assets, you have the videos that you have generated, and you also have characters that you are using as well. What we're looking for here is with any of these options, if you select it, then it will bring you to this page here, and you can see that you have a variety of options here to edit the result that you get. So you can extend, you can retry, you can also add lip sync, upscale, and you have the like and download options as well. But the main editing features that you're going to find in Pixverse are the extend, the lip sync, and the upscale. So that is going to give you some idea of what Pixverse is capable of. Let's go ahead and take a look at our latest generation here. So you can see that we have this woman in a bar, and it did pick up from the character that I created for this. Now you can see here that there is the lip sync function. So if we click on that, then here you will have the option to either type in the words for the character, or you can upload your own audio. And that is all there is to it. That gives you an idea of what the editing functions are like in Pixverse. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.